operating these.
There are internal auditors everywhere, then how did that Vijay Mallya fraud even happen?
When I'm talking about the economic growth, what do I want? How is that going to help the citizen of the country? Because this is going to measure the changes in the national income from one year to the next year, and this will definitely help in the, it is important for improving, it is important in improving the living standards. Correct? Obviously, if the company is growing, if the country is growing, the standard of living of the citizens of the country also improves. And if there is full employment, it's not just that there has to be full employment, there also has to be full and stable employment. Because if there is full and stable employment, this is obviously going to help you with maintaining the citizens of the country are earning, and that again is going to improve the standard of living and thereby achieving the economic growth. Then price stability. No country or no citizen in the country would like if the prices are continuously fluctuating, right? They want some stability. And how can stability be achieved? Without inflation. You have to make sure that the inflation is reduced, right? So it means little or no inflation putting upward pressure on prices. And you all know what is the meaning of inflation. Inflation simply means general increase in the prices, which leads to the decreasing purchasing power of money. You all remember, no? Back in 2013, 100 rupees would bring you so many liters of petrol. Today, for 100 rupees, you hardly get 1 liter of petrol. That's inflation. And one of the objective would be to keep the inflation low, right? We cannot eliminate it completely, but we would want the inflation to be low and it should be at a stable level. And also, inflation is viewed as a problem imagine if the country has high rate of inflation, then the exports will become really expensive. So that is why we will have to make sure that this is also kept intact. And then comes your BOP. What is balance of payment? Balance of payment is nothing but the ratio. It is the ratio of imports to exports. Alright. This is the ratio of imports to exports. And you all know a country should have more exports than imports, and only then the balance of payment will look good. That means a payment surplus would mean the value of exports is exceeding that value of import. So here you have two things, surplus and deficit. Correct? So surplus means when the exports are greater than imports, and deficit is when imports are greater than exports. So this is your balance of payment. So these are some of the macroeconomic targets or the government objectives that every country would want to achieve. Now, is it very easy? Is it very easy to simply tell that, okay, we want this? Don't you think the country should work towards it? And how are they going to work towards achieving all of these? And that's when the companies, they start making some policies. Alright?